गाइस आपको
Hi, I'm Ishita, a third year dental student currently trying to balance clinic, college, content creation, and honestly, life. So, lately, my life has been basically going from college to fun and then back to college again. Because honestly, in the starting of my dentistry journey, all I used to do was just go to college, study, and come back home. I never really used to enjoy my life that much. But now I'm trying to do multiple things together because I want to be productive. I want to explore more and I want to enjoy this phase of my life too. So that's why I'm starting so many new things lately. And if you like my videos, please guys like, subscribe and do comment. I genuinely read your comments and it makes me feel so good knowing that maybe my videos are helping you in your dental journey somehow. Like especially for freshers and dental students watching this, I really wanted to talk to you guys directly. Yes, see, I know first year feels very new and overwhelming sometimes. There are so many things to adjust to, so many doubts and so much confusion. And honestly, when I was in like my first year, I had the same feelings. I'm not saying that now I never cry or never feel exhausted, because obviously I still do sometimes. But when I compare myself to my previous version, I can genuinely see a lot of improvement. And honestly, I feel like life is all about improving little by little from your like previous version. So if you guys have anything you want me to talk about or help you with, just comment down below. I've already covered many things related to BDS first year. So if you haven't watched my previous videos yet, do watch them and maybe they'll help you clear some of your doubts too. And honestly, when some of you share your own journey in the comment section, it genuinely feels so nice. I love reading them and seeing you guys interact with each other too. It really feels like a little community here. So lately, as I mentioned in my previous vlog, I was in the ortho department, like if you remember that vlog, and now I'm in pedo and perio department. So in this vlog you'll be basically seeing how my life is going lately, from patients to clinical work, lectures, little fun moments and everything in between. And honestly, there's a lot more content I'm planning to make on this channel because I feel like life is a mix of everything. You should study, work hard obviously, but you should also know how to enjoy your life in between all that. And you know what I've seen? People always say dentistry gives you balanced life, but honestly, from what I have experienced till now, you are mentally on your toes almost all the time. But I think the important thing is learning how to handle it all. And trust me, I'm still figuring that out too. That's why now I genuinely want to start fixing my routine and my life slowly, maybe through study session, live study sessions, routines, productive days, outside life, and everything else too. And if you want anything else, guys, do comment. I'll try to make that also. I don't think people realize how nervous we actually are during procedures sometimes. Like on outside, I try to act calm, but internally I'm exhausted and my brain is literally running so fast. But today, something happened that genuinely stayed with me. See, if you are a fresher or a dental student watching this, see, being a senior, I want to share something with you guys. After the treatment, this patient literally folded his hands and said thank you. And I don't know why, but that moment hit me differently. Usually, patients just smile and leave after treatment, which is completely okay. But this felt so genuine. For a second, all the stress and exhaustion just felt lighter. After treating patients and coming back home, in the evening I had to go out somewhere. It was basically a girls' night out, so I wanted to look a little more dressed up than usual. So I wore this maroon halter neck dress and my favorite earrings, which I genuinely love so much. And I did a little makeup, then I added some bracelets and finally got ready. The vibe of this cafe was so good. I loved the whole aesthetic and everything about it. We ordered food, clicked way too many pictures, and that's basically how the day ended. Next day, I had to go to college again, and honestly, sometimes life lately just feels like balancing two completely different worlds together. One day, I'm all dressed up, going out, trying to enjoy life, and the next morning, it's again clinics, college, stress, and assignments. So now I am in pedo department, that is pediatric dentistry department. So here in pedodontics, what we guys are doing is we are carving deciduous teeth, that is milk teeth. So today was the last day of pedodontics department and I was done with carving, so I was just chilling with my friends. So first year juniors, you have to do carving again in third year. Be ready for that.
Sunshine, sunshine.
So here I am making cupcakes and cake, which honestly sounds very calm and productive until you realize I was doing this while being mentally exhausted from college. But weirdly, these small things make me feel better. Like for some time, I stopped thinking about clinics, patients, assignments, submissions, deadlines, and everything else. Now, here you can see, guys, I've already made cupcakes and now I am making cake. First, I have to make cream for the cake. This is my first time I'm making cake. I usually make brownies and all. So, this was little challenging for me, but I didn't give up and tried my best. I know it's not perfect, but it still turned out okay, I guess. So here I am getting ready for my friend's birthday, and if you have watched my clothing haul video, then this top is familiar to you. So this pink Barbie coded off shoulder top, I genuinely love this top so much. It's perfect for casual parties and going out. I had already done a little makeup and then I just put on these earrings and bracelet and got ready. Honestly, this place was so good. We stayed out pretty late and it was generally so fun. Also, my friends were a little older than me, so it was actually nice talking to people outside dentistry for once and hearing different perspectives and experiences. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth and stay blushed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. सर आ गए